The Varman dynasty, ancient Assam's first great empire. Welcome to Knowledge Oasis. Today, we are delving into the fascinating history of the Varman dynasty, one of the earliest and most influential dynasties of ancient Assam, which laid the foundation for the region's rich cultural and political history. Let's uncover their story. Let us begin by discussing the origins of the Varman dynasty. The Varman dynasty emerged in the early 4th century CE in the fertile plains of the Brahmaputra Valley. Their kingdom, Kamarupa, was centered in present-day Assam, a land known for its strategic location, linking the Indian subcontinent to Southeast Asia. The dynasty is believed to have been established by Pushyavarman, who began as a feudal lord under the mighty Gupta Empire. Pushyavarman was a charismatic leader who gradually consolidated power, declared independence, and crowned himself as the first king of Kamarupa. This marked the beginning of a long line of rulers who would go on to shape Assam's history for centuries. This was followed by the golden era under Bhuti Varman and Mahendra Varman. Over the next few centuries, the Varman rulers expanded their territory, fortified their defenses, and fostered cultural growth. Two notable kings during this period were Bhuti Varman and Mahendra Varman. Bhuti Varman was known for his military prowess and administrative reforms, which strengthened the kingdom's foundation. His reign saw the consolidation of Kamarupa's boundaries, stretching from the Kartoya River in the west to the Dikkarvasini, modern Hodia, in the east. Mahendra Varman, on the other hand, focused on diplomacy and cultural integration. He maintained cordial relations with neighboring kingdoms and is credited with supporting Vedic culture while blending local traditions. This synthesis of traditions became a hallmark of Assam's heritage. The zenith under Bhaskar Varman. The greatest ruler of the Varman dynasty was undoubtedly Bhaskar Varman. Ascending the throne in the 7th century CE, Bhaskar Varman turned Kamarupa into a formidable power. His reign is often regarded as the golden age of the dynasty. Bhaskar Varman was not only a skilled administrator but also a patron of art and culture. His court was a hub for scholars and poets. He is famously mentioned in the Harshacharita, a biography of Emperor Harsha written by Banbhatta. Bhaskar Varman formed a powerful alliance with Emperor Harsha of Kannauj, a significant political move that elevated Kamarupa's status. Together, they resisted invasions and maintained stability in northern India. During his rule, Kamarupa became a center of trade and cultural exchange, connecting the Indian heartland with Southeast Asia. Moving on, let's jump onto the legacy of the Varman dynasty. The Varman dynasty ruled Kamarupa for nearly 3 centuries, leaving a lasting impact on the region. Their administration was efficient, and they promoted agriculture, trade, and the assimilation of diverse cultures. Many inscriptions and copper plates from their era provide valuable insights into their governance, religion, and society. The dynasty also played a vital role in spreading Hinduism and Buddhism in the region while preserving indigenous practices. The harmonious coexistence of different traditions under their rule laid the groundwork for Assam's unique identity. The end of the dynasty. The Varman dynasty's rule came to an end in the mid-7th century CE, after which the Mlecha dynasty rose to power. However, the legacy of the Varmans lived on, influencing the region's culture, politics, and traditions for generations to come. The Varman dynasty was more than just a political power, it was a unifying force that laid the foundation for Assam's distinct culture and history. Their story reminds us of the resilience and richness of ancient India. Thank you for watching Knowledge Oasis. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating stories from history.